moved countries with babies or toddlers? How do you keep them comforted when everything around them changes, from a new house, a new language, and even new weather? Our solution was to have some lovies. We have two different ones, one for each son. This is the first one. And it's such a wonderful reminder for them that as much as mommy loves you, I can't always be there for you. But Jesus can. And in the same way that your lovey can be with you on our walks, in your bed, wherever we go, where it's unsure, this one is a zebra. The lovies are just such a physical reminder of God's presence, even when I can't be there. And it helps them to stay comforted. So if you're interested in the lovies, I'm going to link them in the description. And if you're an immigrant mom and you're wondering how to keep your kids rooted in Christ and have some faith reminders for yourself, you can follow along from a South African mom in Canada.